Lucky David from the Windows Club. Are you facing the error 0x80090017 while trying to update Windows on your computer? If yes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. The second solution is to reset Windows Update components. Since it is a complicated procedure, we suggest you use the FixWin application. The tool can be downloaded from the original website. Go to the Additional Fixes tab in the left pane. In the right pane, go to the Quick Fixes tab. Click on Reset Windows Update History. The third solution is to disable third-party software products. I use Avast Antivirus, so I will open its settings, go to the page which manages the protections on my system, find the switches for the protections offered, and switch them off. If you have a different antivirus on your system, then please contact its manufacturer. The fourth solution is to restart the Windows Update service. Press the Windows key and the R key together. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command services.msc. Hit Enter to open the Service Manager window. In the Service Manager window, scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right-click on the Windows Update service and select Restart. The fifth solution is to install Windows Updates manually. Go to the website catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search bar, search for the latest month and year in YYYY/MM format. For example, I will search for 2023/05. A few updates will appear on the page. Please download and install the latest ones. The last solution is to restore your system to an earlier date. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar. Click on the option for Recovery. In the window that opens, select System Restore from the menu. If it asks for administrator permissions, please click on Continue. The System Restore window would open. Select the restore point and keep Next. Proceed through the System Restore process to revert your system to that date's settings. Reboot your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.